How to fix Fios remote volume not working here on your remote or volume option. Step 1 will be simply check the remote batteries. Weak batteries can cause unresponsive buttons. Replace with fresh one and just rule this out. Step 2 is make sure it's paired with your TV. For Fios remote button, press the menu button, go to setting, then voice control, then FOIS TV voice remote, then program Fios TV voice remote, select manual setup, then choose your TV brand, follow on-screen instruction to program the volume and power control. For Fios 265 remote, turn on your TV and the box here, press and hold the OK for two buttons together until the LED light blinks twice. Enter the code to your TV brand, example 331 for Samsung. The LED will blink twice. Test the volume button right there, and then set volume controls to TV instead of Fios box. This will be the third step. Press the menu button on your Fios remote, go to setting, then audio, then volume control. Set volume control to TV, not FOIS TV or audio device. Step 4 is simply reboot the Fios box. Sometimes it's a simple reboot help to solve your issues with volume here. Now, a simple reboot helps. Simply unplug the Fios box from power for 30 seconds, plug it back and wait for it to restart. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching this.